are back on site. Everything is leveled off. I got 2 coats of liquid from crack isolation. We're ready for, I'm gonna remove some of the dams where I need to, do the layout. I'll be able to start setting today. There we go. Continue on. We got these 6-inch by 40-inch planks. Porcelain tile. I got this webbing in the backing, so we're definitely back butter, but we always back butter regardless. But when you have the webbing on the back like that, it's definitely going to take some more mortar. So anyway, got this whole floor self-leveled about as we could pretty much get it. I got all my pre-cuts made. It's going to be a full 3/4, half, and then a quarter piece. And basically every 4 rows, that's the pattern I'm going to do. And just follow along this wall here from starting from the cuts from here over, then making my cuts on that side. So basically I'm just going to work my way over here, all the way over to that side. One area at a time, which would be I would snap a line for every 4 rows of tile and work that way towards this sliding door. So that's the process of doing this. I'm using clips and wedges here, the Remodeling about 1/8 or so clips. The manufacturer recommends anything from an 1/8 inch joint to 3/8. So what I'm gonna do this line here, and then I'm gonna snap lines as I go, but I'm gonna also check that I'm still square. I'm squared off of this exterior wall right here, shot my laser here, squared right to that line there. So that's important because these tiles are not the exact same size. So every few rows I'll snap a line, make sure that I'm staying straight. So when we get to here, it's going to be almost a full tile to this transition here and a cut to this wall over here. So that's what we got. Continue on with the project, show you how I'm doing this.